This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 17, Understanding Group Dynamics I. Group dynamics involves forces that shape interactions among individuals working towards common goals. While teams focus on shared purpose and collaboration, groups unite people with loose connections for reasons or causes. For a collection to be considered a group, there must be at least two people with a common goal, interdependence, and ideally face-to-face interaction. As groups progress through the norming and performing stages, conflicting ideas are discussed, roles and norms are established, and members contribute earnestly toward achieving their objectives. The adjourning stage marks the disbandment of temporary groups after task completion, with the progression varying based on context and assignment uniqueness. Understanding group dynamics and psychology is crucial for effective task completion and preventing potential issues within organizations. Careful group formation, fostering shared identity, trust, and belongingness, along with adaptation and sincere efforts from members, are vital for group success across various life areas. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.